Hi everyone. So, it's very early in the morning. I better show you the time. There we go. It's 4:45 a.m. My job to read the papers now before I go on air. If you're wondering what it looks like in here at this early in the morning, it's the little room that we're in. The presenter's going to be coming in there soon, and nobody's going to switch the TV on yet. And then we've got a little green room here, which I won't be going into because there's probably somebody sleeping in there. And I've got to start my research, and we're starting off with the FT. So I will see you soon, probably in makeup, people, and boy will I need it.
And at the same time recognize
this is the bit where I get my makeup done. Now, some of you may have seen this before. By the way, doesn't that suit me? I don't know whether that's cheetah or God knows. But yeah, I look very Serengeti. You can see all the good stuff. This is, now that we, now that we're getting the makeup done, you will see a complete transformation of me. There's a nut job on TV yakking on about Kashmir. I won't get into that right now. There I am. More importantly, getting my makeup done. This is what happens before I go on air. So if you're wondering what happens at 5 minutes to 5 a.m, I'm in the middle of reading the papers as well. This is what happens. And it's to stop the bags under my eyes, basically dragging along the floor, which is what they would do. So I will see you all later. By the way, this lovely lady doing all this hard work, I'm reliably assured that, probably last person in here was George Clooney.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, she thought actually George was in when I walked in, and I had to say to her, no, I can't get this straight. There we go. I said, no, I'm not George. But there you go. She's disappointed now. See you soon on the other side. Right, we're going in the studio now. Right, I can talk a bit louder now, but we're about to go back in the studio, so be very, very, very quiet, as Elmer Fudd would say. Going for radio now between the two TV slots, so there's a lot of running around. As you can see, it's a little bit quiet at the Beeb at the moment because it's I think it's about 5 a.m. still. So like I said, between the TV slots, I've done one slot already. I'll be doing the newspapers, then going back on for another slot, but in between I'll be doing radio, which is what I'm going over to do now, as you can see here. I'll turn it off in a second when we get in the studio. No, we're in the studio here. Fantastic. Look, you can see I can launch satellites from here. Where would you like me, mate?
Down the end, yellow mic.
I'm going to keep Philip out of shot, only out of respect for his privacy. There we go. Here I am. And we're getting ready to be on air.
Right, don't need those. There's already over here. Let's have a try of this. You're going to be yellow.
I might even just keep this on. Why not? See?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Look at
7,
that.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Right.
Alpesh, how do you want me to...
Hi everyone, so I'm here with
Hello, I'm Philip.
from the BBC. You'll recognise him from all the various packages and everything else. And we're going to do a little bit, we're still in the BBC, there we go. Between packages and recording, we're just going to go out on the balcony. This is where they do Women's Hour, which, believe it or not, and you might not, and I'm not kidding, is one of my most favourite shows. Because the presenters are great and the stories are so different to, the world of finance and sort of the boring stuff, although they do cover finance very often, but that I'm used to listening to. So I love listening to Women's Hour. That was what they recorded. Here we go. No?
I got the wrong floor. This one.
Got the wrong floor. Don't worry. We know what we're doing.
This one.
Right. Here we go. Right, I wanted to show you this part. We're on the balcony here at the BBC bit, and you'll recognise some of this stuff. What an amazing view, hey? And I'm about to go on air again, so the next bit you're going to see is me being on air. Because time is tight, I've got to go. Well, that's London. Whoops, early in the morning. There we go, you can see the London Eye over there. Oh yes, look at that. That's a live working broadcast tower right up there. Better not climb up there, eh? I will see you on air in a second, people.
Video us.
Can I do that?
Hello.
Oh, exactly. We've just come off
just
air.
done the programme, and it was
Brilliant.
it was very
It was going to
entertaining.
win an Oscar. It might
I
even
don't
get
know
a
about
BAFTA.
that,
No,
but
will.
it kept everybody awake here. That's for sure.
Yeah. And,
Anyway,
well,
I'm getting a cup of tea
that
while I
and
can.
That
Bye.
and the tea did. Right, we're going now. We're going back to the tea room, as it were. So I'll see you on the other side. That's me done. I'm leaving the building, and it is 6 a.m. It's a bit early. And by the way, if you want a shot of what it all looks like, there it is. That's me done. Hope you enjoyed the morning in the life of. So I'll see you on the other side soon.